When it comes to managing waste efficiently on your construction site, look no further than Dumpster Depot. We are your premier destination for top-quality dumpster rental services, as we understand the importance of having the right tools for the job. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to suit your needs, whether you're working on a small yard project or a large-scale commercial construction site. But Dumpster Depot isn't just for construction sites. Homeowners also rely on us for their waste management needs. From residential cleanouts to commercial renovations, we have the expertise and resources to handle any project, big or small. With Dumpster Depot, you can trust that your waste management needs will be handled professionally and efficiently. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing excellent customer service and ensuring that your project runs smoothly. With Dumpster Depot by your side, you can focus on what matters most, completing your project on time and within budget without worrying about waste disposal. Ready to simplify your waste management needs? Contact us today at 863-330-0133 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdepot.usa.com to learn more and schedule your dumpster rental service. Dumpster Depot, your trusted partner in waste management.